Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with this awesome Kroger 10 for 10 sale. All the participating items that are included. This is not my couponing deals video. This is just one out of 4 Kroger videos I've done this week because there's a lot of stuff going on again. If you're looking for specific couponing deals, click the little eye in the top right corner and click on the video title that says Awesome Kroger Couponing Deals. That's all the deals, but these are just the items that are included in this 10 for 10 sale. Now, it is important to keep in mind, you do not have to buy 10 to get this price. It's just $1 each. That's all it is. You don't have to buy 10 items, even though they kind of make it look like you do. You just have to buy 10. So yeah, keep that in mind. And it's just going to go through and show you all the items that are on sale 10 for 10. There's 45 items I got. There might be even more that I missed. But yeah. And also another thing, closely examine the tags. Kroger tags love to brag about their low prices. Make sure you're getting a 10 for 10 item that's really on sale, and that's not just always 10 for 10. Because some of these items are 10 for 10 every day, and it's not really a savings at all. So just be sure to look into that when you're at Kroger. All the items here are items that are not 10 for 10 regularly. They're on sale 10 for 10. So keep that in mind. These are all sale items, and they're good deals. So, yeah, let's just dive right into these 10 for 10 deals.